More importantly, also, Honorable Chief Justice and members of the Supreme Court, is that how then do you establish at the polling stations? Because the problem that we are having is that there are no agents who have demonstrated any problem with the voting at the polling station. Regulation 81 of the Election General Regulations provide what should happen after the voting has been conducted. That is, the valid votes to be put together, the rejected votes, unused ballots, and counterfolds. They are to be preserved for an election court. Nowhere have we been told that none of that happened, or that there was a problem with whatever happened at the polling stations. Honorable Chief Justice and judges of the Supreme Court, Justice Njoki Nugu in 2017, in her dissenting opinion, had this to say, that agents are a very important part of the electoral process. These are the agents of the different presidential candidates. Now, if they are not present to certify their role, they should then not blame any other person in that respect. We have established with our agents and filed the affidavits in that regard that indeed the Form 34As were issued to us, and it reflects what IEBC posted in the portal. The petitioners have not discharged that burden. They cannot now come back and say that they would want to challenge an election by failing to do that which they are required in law to do. What has happened? We've been told a lot of stories. We have 8 petitions, all trying to explain a lot of things. In my concluding remarks, I'll seek refuge in the Holy Book. In Proverbs 10:19, it tells us this: when words are many, sin is not absent, but he who holds his tongue is wise. They've had to use 8 petitions to say what they want to say. In those abundant words, then sin cannot be lost in that respect. It will be my humble prayer that the petitions before this honorable court be dismissed. I'll take this opportunity to welcome my learned senior, Professor Kithure Kindiki, to address you on the 6th issue. I'm most obliged.